say if you want something done right, you should do it yourself. I'm not exactly sure that that rule is great advice to apply into a situation where you're installing a car lift that's going to be supporting 10,000 plus pounds over your head. If it hadn't been for the fact that I've seen several lifts installed before, and have also had the opportunity to install a 2-post lift for myself in the past, if I didn't have that experience, I probably would hire something like this out. But I have access to the tools, I have access to the resources that I need as far as the information for like service specs. And so I feel comfortable doing this lift install myself. Now I am cutting it a little close as far as clearances go. I mean, forget about it. There's OSHA there too, right? You need to have, I think, 3 feet clearance around the towers. That's just not going to happen in this case, but nobody call OSHA, please. But the expansion joints, they, I think, call for roughly 4 inches. It's right around 4 inches from what I recall. I'm right there on the edge as far as those expansion joints and my bolts. I'm not worried about it. I may be even just a tad too close, but the concrete's 8 inches thick in this area. It has fiber mesh in the mix. It's 4,000 PSI concrete, and it has wire in it as well. So there's more than enough integrity to the base and the concrete and everything to support this lift and all the weight. The minimum thickness for this Mohawk lift, I believe, was 4.5 inches with 3,000 PSI concrete. So I'm more than exceeding the minimum requirements, which this is a type of situation where you probably would not want to use minimum requirements anyway. You know, you're dealing with life and death here. So, but anyway, I'm fairly comfortable with how this lift went in. You guys can see it go up and down here in the video. I've had a few issues that I'm working through. There was some issues with getting all the air bled out of the lines, but you know, that's not really that big of a deal. I did get a chance to throw a car up in the air at the end of the day here, so that was very rewarding to be able to see the car go up and down. And I left it up in the air actually for a couple days just to make sure if there was going to be any cracks for me, and I wanted to see them, you know, before it happened immediately right in front of me.